Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous over-the-top 1966 GTO. Beautifully restored. Sitting on Rally 2s, wrapped in Coker red lines. And car is brand new. Right down to the T3s up front. One of my favorite colors. Highly detailed with the correct tower clamps. Just beautiful. Everything works as it should. Including the trunk light. Empty compartment light. T3s. Highly detailed. Literally like brand new. Not a scratch, not a ding, not a dent. It's 4-speed. Buckets, console. Notice I have this 65 count up too. Also another beautiful car. This also has T3s and everything else. And 72. All the correct hoses and everything. Just beautiful. Right down to the padding underneath the hood. Gorgeous chrome and stainless all the way around. Beautiful felts on the windows. Correct seatbelts all the way around as well. Showing 67,721 miles. And just gorgeous. Didn't even touch the gas. Can't run it too long in here. Showroom, but get the idea. Man, gorgeous center console too. Jeez, it's beautiful. Correct shift knob. Perfect dash. Beautiful lines and fitment. Awesome undercarriage. Check out our website too. Probably took about 20 pictures under here alone. Okay. Well, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Smash that subscribe button, and talk to you soon. Thanks.